How to enable location on Google Chrome. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily enable the location on your Google Chrome. So once you're inside your Google Chrome, just simply tap on this top three dot icon over here at the top right corner and just scroll all the way down until you see the settings. So once you're inside your settings, just tap on privacy and security. From over here, just click on site settings, and once you're inside here you will be seeing this location option under the permission section. Simply tap on it, and from over here, if your checkup is on don't allow sites to see your location, then you must enable it by simply tapping on it and choosing any one of these. So since it's recommended, I choose this. So that's for the default behavior. You can also utilize the customized behavior. That means if you don't want to allow any specific site to see your location, then you can simply tap add that particular site over here. And if you want to add particular site to see your location, for example, if you want your facebook.com to see your particular location, then you can simply add the facebook.com site over here, and only that particular site will be able to view your location. So that is exactly how you can easily enable location on Google Chrome. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.